Hello guys, my name is Victor Godfrey and I'm welcoming you back to a brand new video on this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually start generating your very first sales with Builderall business program. And this strategy actually works for any other affiliate offers you might be promoting out there. But this video is specifically targeted at those that want to make their first sales with Builderall business program. And we will actually be using the Facebook platform as our source for free traffic to generate leads that will eventually turn into sales. And for you to implement what I'm about to share with you, then you must first of all have a Builderall account so you can be able to access your Builderall affiliate link. Right below this video, there will be a link for you to click and sign to become a Builderall affiliate, and so that you can actually start implementing this strategy right away. And once you become an affiliate, or once you create up your Builderall account, the first thing you will have to do is to, come over to Facebook and start joining some specific niche groups, such as make money groups, online groups, or work from home groups, or online job groups. So let me quickly, turn over to Facebook and show you guys how you can actually start joining these groups. Just a moment. So as you can see, I'm right on my Facebook account, and the first thing you'll need to do, you just have to come to the search bar here and type in make money online groups and click on the search button, and it will actually bring you down to this page. So right now I'm on this particular page that says free money, no scams, and you can see this particular group has over 99,000 members. So this is a big opportunity. There's a whole lot of people here, prospects here, that you can actually reach out with what I'll be showing you guys. So you see another group below here. This also has over 62,000 members. This one says make money online. That's for United States, and it has over 181,000 members. So this is one way. This is one of the groups you have to join. Then the next group will be this one. I'm going to click on this, like the online marketing group. So now you're joining online marketing groups here on Facebook. And just like the previous one, you can see this one has over 173,000 members. Then this one says you can advertise your network marketing business. Though what we are doing is not a network kind of MLM kind of business. No, this is real business, but it is still marketing. And you can see this has 228,000 members, which means there's a whole lot of potentials on this group, a whole lot of prospects you can actually be reaching out. Then the third one says online marketing, and it has over 44,000 members. So guys, these are some groups you actually need to be joining right away, because they have a whole lot of audience here that definitely will be needing the services you will be providing. And then another one here, there's another group, the work from home groups. You can see this one, though it is an MLM group, but it doesn't matter. You can actually still reach out to prospects here, and by showcasing what you have to offer, and definitely a lot of people will reach out to you by the time they get to see what I will be sharing with you guys to post on these groups. And you can see this particular group has over 233,000 members. Then this one says work from home. It also has over 239,000 members. Guys, this is massive. These are free leads. These are free traffic, not paid for. All you just need to do is just sign up with these groups and start posting what I will be showing you much later by the time we leave this Facebook page. Then the next one too is the online job groups. You just type online job on the search bar and you come down to this page, you start joining groups. So you can see this online job already has over 23,000 members, while the next one here has over 197,000 members. This one says job vacancies online. It has over 81,000 members. So guys, this is a whole lot of prospect. This is massive. Just like I said, you're not paying, it's free. Despite the fact that by the time you try to join some of these groups, you won't be admitted in not all of the groups will accept you being a member, but a lot will actually, approve your indication to become a member, and you start utilizing this massive opportunity, because I'm going to show you something that you'll actually be sharing in this Facebook groups you'll be joining. And this is something that actually works for me. I'm not paying, I'm getting results. So if I'm getting results, obviously you too, you will be getting results. So guys, once you create your Builderall account, the next thing you need to do is you come straight to Facebook and start joining these groups that I mentioned. Then once you join this group, then the next process will be to start posting what I'm going to share with you right now. So guys, those groups, once you've signed up for those groups in Facebook, just like I said, these are specific niche markets that you should be targeting. And why are we targeting them? Because they are your demographics whom you actually be, promoting and selling to. And all you will need to do to join is just, you could just join a few groups, like 10 to 15 groups, and start posting catchy words. Remember I told you guys that I'm going to share with you what you actually be posting on that group, on the groups you join in Facebook. So you post catchy stuff like this. You join a group and you'll now come in and post something like this that says, want to know how people just like you and me are earning over $1,000 every single month in passive income using their Facebook account, working just 1 to 2 hours a day from the comfort of their homes. Then if you really want to know how, then comment info and I'll send you everything you need to get started ASAP. So, or you can also say something like this: hey, if you want some information on how I make $3,000 recurring monthly passive income, just go ahead and comment info for the information and I'll go ahead and send it your way. So once they start responding by commenting info just like you directed them, then go ahead and send them a private message saying, thanks for the comment, and this is the system I use to generate this XY amount of money, and then send them your Builderall affiliate link. You see, this is why I told you guys that before you start doing this, you have to first of all create a Builderall account by becoming a Builderall affiliate, so that by the time you become an affiliate, you'll be able to go to the affiliate page and grab your affiliate URL link, so that by the time you now start posting these catchy words in Facebook groups and they start responding, by the time they respond, then all you just need to do is you send them your Builderall affiliate link, so that they can be able to click on it and start signing up. And just like I told you guys, this system actually works because it's been generating lots of positive results for me. And Facebook is free traffic. By joining group, it is a free traffic. I'm not paying for any traffic per se. It is free. So I also expect you to utilize this opportunity and start doing exactly what I just shared with you guys here by replicating this same strategy. Then some of those that commented info as directed by you will eventually sign up to become subscribers of Builderall through your affiliate link, which you'll be providing to them. And once they do, this automatically start generating recurring income for you once they start paying their monthly subscription. And remember that once they sign up and upgrade to paid members instantly, Builderall is giving you 100% of that money instantly. Whatever thing they pay, whatever plan or subscription they subscribe to immediately, you're getting 100% of that. Then by the time they start paying their monthly subscription fee, Builderall also start paying you 30% recurring income on those subscriptions. So there's massive opportunity here, guys, for you to start making money from this. And since this video will be accessible to a whole lot of viewers, and most viewers are likely to copy the same ad text that I just shared here, so there's something you really need to watch out about, because a lot of people watch this stuff and at the end of the day they just copy verbally whatever thing they see and start joining all these groups and still posting them. But there's something you need to do. Once you join this particular Facebook group, don't copy exactly the words that I shared here. You can all you need to do is be creative and rephrase some of this text using your own words, so that you'll be different. So why some people might be posting exactly word for word of what they say in this video, at least you, the creative one, should be able to rephrase some of those texts, put them in your own words, and and stand out. And just imagine if everyone start using the same ad text example shared on this video, then it will no longer generate any interest from anyone, And the reason is this: they've seen it a million times, which is the reason why you actually need to be different by being a little creative with the ad test, so that you'll be able to stand out from the rest in order for this method to effectively work for you, just like it is working for me. So friends, the sole objective of this video is to share with you guys exactly what works for me, so you can actually replicate the same strategy and become successful as well too. And obviously it is in my best interest to show you guys all the things that you need to know in order for you to succeed. Not only do you make money, but it also makes me money. If you're not making money, obviously I'm not making money. So just like I say, it is in my own best interest to share with you guys what works, everything I know, share it with you guys. All the whole strategy that I'm using to get results is exactly the same thing I'm sharing with you guys, so that you don't need to procrastinate. All you need to do is you just start implementing it right away and be consistent, and know that if it is working for me, obviously it's going to work for you. There's no two ways about this. Then, and once you sign up through the link below and become a Builderall affiliate, then you will get tons of free training resources and tools that I actually use to generate sales. The same tools that I use to promote the product and make money from it. So you will definitely have access to all that. And the juicy part comes when you become a paid subscriber. Once you upgrade your account to a paid account, then you have access to an exclusive private area where you have tons of invaluable resources that will actually enable you to achieve results faster. And again, you also have access to a community of Builderall affiliates that are always ever ready to assist you any time of the day. That's once you become a paid subscriber by upgrading your account to a paid account. And once again, there's a link below this video for you to sign up and become an affiliate, and it's also free to become a Builderall affiliate. Once you become an affiliate, it is free to become an affiliate, but there's also an upgraded plan that also gives you a premium plan that actually gives you a whole lot of features, a lot of stuff that actually will skyrocket your growth instantly. So I'm always advising people to, go for the premium plan, because that is where the juicy part, where you actually start reaping the benefits of becoming a Builderall affiliate. But apart from that, joining is free. So once again, once you sign up, be rest assured that you actually get tons of trainings coming your way on how to, start making money with Builderall. And guys, remember that I said that if you actually upgrade to a paid account, you will have access to a private area where you will have all the resources at your fingerprints, to achieve results faster. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and thanks for watching. And if you've learned something new from this video and got some value out of it, kindly give it a like and make sure to subscribe. So thank you guys once again, and see you on the next video. And before I leave, remember I told you guys that there's a link below, so for you to click and subscribe and sign up for your Builderall affiliate account, so that you can actually start implementing this strategy right away and start making money right away. So thank you so much, and see you guys at the top. Bye.